Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hi, Gaming Rumita. I am the certified Ho'oponopono healer and Money Reiki Grandmaster. Ngasigi video se yamna nungaiba video idoni 24 hours ta akoi relationship kamaina heal tawbani habado yengminasi. I last ke video dadi akoi gi health ki maramda and kaino gi maramda paisa gi maramda kamaina heal tawbani habado kitang ai kaino tawba share tawgre ko sina relationship ki maramda akoi gi ichinaw na nungaina daba paisa lawkhaga pirak bagi relation kaino khanaba nungaitaba jaunaba dugagi angang kaino husband and wife lovers mayam gi relationship nungaitaba do ado mayam do 24 hours ta kamai cure to ge habado yengminasi as depend on the person to person ko akoi positive oiba mina thuna sigi results phangi because akoi gi class su se tawba matam da mayam na share tawreyaba kana bagi experience mayam do so idana maki akoi mayam gi su se kana rakpa oirakani so sigi technique se use to view step by step in a high sumaina then definitely within the 24 hours the result natraga positive sign dikhara phakani ko so first of all me to salaga tumam dai se visualize to view aba 10 minutes ka meditation to biro chak mabuk thanbaga di meditation to biga no kitang gaps to view at least for the 2 hours ko 2 hours maga chak to klora khatang tumam dai is gaps thamaga aikoina mi se akoina tawdoi mi se sigi mitta ubiwa ba white dress set laga ma meditation to bagi rup ta ubiu ma ki duga gi nasamak sudum isa suna dugi rup ta dum visualize to biwa ba sumaina same process the same oidoni I take 100% responsibility of the current situation of my relationship aina 100% aina responsible lawabani hasigi dispute oriba relations nungai tabagi haina ne haibiu aba dulaga I am sorry aina namonda loi blame tawbagi aigisu percentage khara aigisu alanba yauri haina mangonda sorry habiro forgiveness pibiro for aina namonda priority ngang bagi mayam gi negativity mayam aina namonda saw bagi mayam gi keno do relation gi matung ina dum wa haido haibiu ba forgiveness then just thank you and I love you si tawraga mami se usalaga universe the golden right lae haina khoi gi se pulle bonding se pulle haina mitta ubiwa ba then after see the magic then 108 times ho'oponopono do chant to biro then just rub tawraga sumaina to biro then lore sigi se si lorega mayam 24 hours ki matungda si se continuously oiba mida oire ko thuna result phangakani at least result na ta su positive sign dikhara lakani no dum da tobi leira dine ma'am sigi kana rak pase oirakani mi khara da thuna hayeng asi tawraga hayeng su kana ba yauni because akhoi isada negativity laita dine positive mi na tawba oidi thuna oi duga gi khatam negativity akhoi gi blockage khara layadi ho'oponopono se chain tawbiraga sigi relationship ki maramda mi se uraga tawbiro dagi mi jamna engonda koiri lai se pesa lawgi ba pirak taba dugum bodo yam lai aso adu mi dugi so same process tumaina tawbiro negativity ngangi ganu because of the energy level we all are same energy the same ni do ngangi nagi mi do handokine so better you just have a word season positivity on the meditation to biraga definitely result phangakani so mayam result phangakanda aigi siga comment la aga thank you universe sabiramu mayam I also just want to know ki kya mi ke ada result phangge haina because mayam gi tawna banina at least 40-50% gi mi gi oirakani mayam oidaba mina continuously tawio no manata no ma hari within 7 days kumba 5 days kumba manungda oirakani 24 natasu also thank you everyone for watching my video I give videos and nungaiba with this subscribe to biramo kana ba relation da jamna struggle to bomi oigada share to biramo maunda refer to biramo mayam se jenga so mayam life transformations and the angangi thaba kai ka opening thoraga egisiga upload to jagani share to jagani so please agi channel se subscribe to biramo upgrade hoininga ga live ta dugumba ai share to ba apha to ngam jage so ngasigi di oina loisalage thank you so much everyone for watching my video thank you